So you've got access to SketchUp Studio, and now you want to add some of the extra programs and try them out. How do you go about that? Well, first thing you need to do is go into the Account Management Portal. The easiest way to get into the Account Management Portal, or AMP, is through the SketchUp.com page. Start by clicking where it says Sign In, and sign in with the email address and password connected to the Studio license you have. Once signed in, go to My Apps, and underneath SketchUp Studio, expand View Included Applications. From here, you can install V-Ray for Windows by clicking Download and Download. Once the download is completed, go ahead and click to launch the installer. Again, as Windows prompts you, go ahead and click Yes to continue the installation. At this point, walk through the Agree and Install steps to install V-Ray for SketchUp. Now, it is important that if you have an older version of V-Ray installed, you remove that before you try to install the new version and authorize it with your SketchUp Studio license. Once the installation is finished, click Done. This will automatically open a browser window. To authorize this installation with your Studio license, click Continue with Trimble, and you should get a confirmation acknowledging that the Chaos account has been created and linked to the Trimble account you're currently using. At this point, you can confirm proper installation of V-Ray by opening SketchUp and seeing the V-Ray toolbars. With that, you're ready to start rendering your SketchUp models. Thank you.